Hey guys, Dr. Tom Chaney here from Living Health Integrative Medicine in Annapolis. And in today's video, I want to help you with choosing the right foods to stabilize your blood sugar. This is a question that I get very commonly with patients that come in. They want to know, well, what should I be eating? So what I'm going to go over with you is a way to look at your meal plate and understand what should be on that plate without really having to count calories, without having to weigh your food. Because I don't think in the long run that's going to be really successful and it's something that you're going to follow through with. So this is a rule that we teach our patients. It's a general rule. It's not going to be specific because we don't have specific food sensitivity testing on you, but it's going to give you some general guidelines. And we talk about this rule in chapter 5 in our book, Defeat Diabetes. So we go through Dr. Steph's plate rule. And in Dr. Steph's plate rule, we can look at the plate and just generally know what we're going to put on the plate. So in this quarter of the plate, we're going to put lean protein. So our general rule of thumb is 3 to 6 ounces of lean protein. So that would be wild-caught fish. It could be chicken, turkey, grass-fed beef. Those would be some options there. In this quarter, you can see I have a dotted line. So starchy veggies, we can put them on the plate. We just want to be more cautious because they will impact blood sugar more than these unlimited veggies down here that we'll talk about. So starchy veggies would be carrots, beets, yams, sweet potatoes. They all fall under that category of starchy veggies. Typically, the general rule of thumb would be no more than a half a cup per meal. And then we go down here to unlimited veggies. So these would be your greens, lettuces, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, peppers. You know, the list goes on and on. In our book, also in the back, we have the categories split up, and we actually go through some meal plans with you and give you some options there. So, so this is the plate rule. I have this dotted line here because the starchy veggies, you can put them on your plate for one meal and then not have them on there for another. You could leave them off. And then if you did that, you would just fill your plate with these veggies. So, for example, you could have maybe a green salad with some cucumbers, maybe put some peppers on there, and then put some chicken on top. That would follow the plate rule. So this is, once again, a real quick, easy way to look at what you should be putting on your plate without counting calories, without having to weigh a bunch of food, and to know that, okay, this is going to help me better stabilize my sugars. In one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to get into timing of food. That's really important as well, something I go through with patients. There are certain strategies that we use as far as timing your meals to better stabilize your blood sugars. So I hope you guys got some beneficial information. If you have a comment, leave it below, like our page, and I'll see you in the next video. If you would like more information, check out my book, Defeat Diabetes. So Dr. Steph and I wrote this book. These are some guidelines that we tell and have told thousands of patients over the years. So we put it into this book so you can start reading it, implementing it, getting better control over your sugars. So go ahead and pick up your copy today.